So this just came in. Let's see what it's like. Hi, I'm Emmy from Sandoczka, and thank you to the brand for sending this over for us to try. This one's specifically for men, and my husband will be the one using it, so I'm sharing it from that perspective. This is an ear and nose hair trimmer designed to help men stay neat and well-groomed, with almost no effort. What I like is that it has 2 interchangeable heads, so it's not just for the nose and ears. You can also use it for eyebrows and small facial hair. Simple little all-in-one tool for men who want something quick and practical. 1 button. Super easy. Stainless steel dual-edged blades with a 360-degree trimming system to help trim without tugging. Because for sensitive areas like the nose and ears, comfort matters. It has a 13,000 RPM motor, so it trims fast and efficiently. USB-C charging, like most devices now, and the battery is designed to last a long time, which is great if you travel or don't want to charge things constantly. It even has a digital LED display so you can see the battery level. No more surprise, it's dead moments. IPX7 waterproof, so you can rinse it or use it in the shower. Easy to clean. Hygienic. Compact, ergonomic, comfortable to hold, so you can reach those little areas safely. It's just an easy way for men to stay groomed without overthinking it. I appreciate you being here with me. If you want to stick around for more, go ahead and subscribe and maybe leave a like or share if you feel like it. And if you want to check out the product, the link will be down in the description. See you in the next one.